Make it marinated chicken with soy sauce, paminta, little salt, Maggi powder, teriyaki sauce, little only. Marinate muna natin ng 30 minutes bago natin i-coated sa cornflakes. Let's start. Yeah. Labs na kay para iwas COVID. Hindi naman uso ang COVID ngayon. Ang uso ngayon, yung mga talang-tala sa social media. I-coated natin siya. Try nyo to guys, ang lami kaayo. Isa ra ni kabuok na, isa og tunga na chicken. Let me down. Na lang. Paborito kayo nila. Hi Sharmila, shout out. Sa India naman kauban. Shout out Sharmila sa India. You want a vacation in Philippines? Just contact me. I will guide you. I will accompany you. I will tour you. I will give you a good accommodation. I will give you habibi o Filipino habibi. But then your husband become crazy. Aywa. Na. Nobody's into this generation, Sharmila, mapi good people. All karabuta. Sa? But why? You're perfect human? Of course no, you're not a perfect. Nobody's perfect. What's that? Ada pink flour, brown flour. Yeah. Uy, nakulang. Ay, salamat na tira pa. Finish na ang ating cornflakes. Mabuti at may tira pa. Uy, thank you, may tira pa. Finish. What's that? Little only, huh? But in this one, gosh. So we mix, but then the taste good. If you mix the sauce, 3 to 4 kind of sauce, the result really good. Shui, huh? I will kick you. I will spank you, Sharmila. I will you. But shui. Taksil! Come on! Mo ni akong kuan. Free taste. Murag kulangot ka dako. Ito na. Ready na. Itong mga sobra-sobra. So, ano yung kuan? Tapos. Pinas din eh. Okay, alright. Bake na natin. Oof. Oof. I-bake natin ng 1 oras. Ilagay natin sa 250 degrees sa loob ng 1 oras. Uy. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Gupitin natin itong ano.